Founded in 1992, GFA began as a small forwarding business and has since evolved into a dynamic logistics company. Today, we specialize in 3 core areas: warehousing, transportation, and on-site management. Born and based in the U.S., GFA standards and systems are optimized for the American market with a diverse team of 700 and growing. GFA is committed to maintaining local expertise. GFA has built a multicultural, inclusive team, blending the expertise of Korean and American managers alongside a diverse staff. Headquartered in Valley, Alabama, with a key presence in Atlanta, we efficiently operate across southeastern Georgia, leveraging Savannah's port for transportation. At the heart of GFA's operations is on-site management. Unlike traditional labor providers, GFA takes on specialized functions directly within our clients' production lines, offering a unique hands-on partnership and personalized service. From Savannah's strategic port, GFA operates a robust transportation network, delivering products directly to our clients, quickly and efficiently. Our warehousing solutions ensure that client products and materials are stored in optimal conditions and prepared for delivery exactly when needed. GFA currently manages 6 warehouses, totaling 2 million square feet, with a yard capacity for 1,000 containers. GFA supports industries ranging from automotive and electronics to renewable energy. In warehousing, we handle battery materials, automotive parts, telecom devices, and consumer goods. For transportation, we specialize in solar panel components and electronics. Our on-site management teams oversee essential functions at automotive and EV factories, battery facilities, and solar panel plants. We strive to make each client feel the GFA difference by harnessing powerful synergies across warehousing, transportation, and on-site management, and quickly adapting to the ever-evolving logistics landscape. With GFA, you're not just choosing a logistics provider, you're choosing a partner dedicated to excellence, reliability, and a future of great possibilities. GFA, going forward always.